Going on, guys? I just picked up a little welding table from Harbor Freight. Black Friday yesterday. It was on sale for I think 149 bucks, normally 189, so 40 bucks off. So I know these aren't super heavy duty and I don't plan on doing anything crazy with it, but it is just nice to have a metal tabletop to either do some welding on, some grinding, you know, if you're drilling something or taking even a carburetor or something apart. I don't want to leak fuel onto my wooden workbench here. So that's my plans for it. So we're gonna get it unboxed. I'm gonna put it together. We'll see how it is, if it's worth 149 bucks or not. I'll let you guys know. All right, so we got it all unboxed. It's surprisingly pretty solid, pretty heavy actually. It does come coated pretty heavily with oil so it doesn't rust, because this surface is machined or surface ground or whatever it is to make it flat. So it is just raw steel. So it does come with two different options where you put legs on it, you know, as a table on the floor, or you can put these little stubby legs on it with feet and just have it as a tabletop unit. So you set it on top of your bench, your existing table. But I'm gonna put the legs on it. So I haven't really looked at the instructions yet, but I'm assuming we're just gonna flip this thing over, mount the legs on it, and bolt it together. I am surprised. I didn't realize all the tooling came with it too. So there's a whole bunch of hold down clamps and different fittings and fixtures there to lock things in. So, I mean, that kind of makes it worth it right there. So let's see how this goes together. Let's see how it works. All right, it's a good thing I looked at the instructions. Even though we're gonna put the tall legs on it, you still use the short ones. And I guess it just adds to the reinforcement of it. So there's 4 holes in here. You just put the outer 2 in first. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty solid. It's level, it's got good leveling feet on it. I was able to get it perfectly level all 4 corners. I got a 3-foot level here, and I mean, it's flat, it's not warped. It's pretty good. And it comes with a ton of different mounting tabs, and these are actually a magnetic threaded plate, so you can stick it underneath there and you can thread different things into it, whether you want to, I don't know if these hold downs thread into it or not. No, those are different. So these use the nut on the bottom, and that locks your post in. Then you can use your clamp here and clamp your workpiece down like that. And they also have a larger swing piece here, looks like, that you could put on here if you needed a longer distance. But yeah, you got like a V style hold down. So if you got tubing or piping, you can put that in there. You can probably drop these down in through here, bolt them down. I don't know, it's really not bad. I thought it was gonna be I thought the top was gonna be pretty chintzy and flimsy, and honestly, it's for 140 bucks, $149. I don't think you can get the materials and all these clamps and hardware you would need to even build the thing, let alone the time it would take to get it. I'm sure they'll have coupons again for them, but for the Black Friday, Thanksgiving week, they had 40 bucks off these things. So glad I got one. We'll see how it works. We'll see how it holds up. I'll let you guys know. Thanks.